I'm Dave from PowerProbe.
And I'm the other Dave from PowerFlow.
We've got an exciting new tool out. It's a new circuit tester from PowerProbe. This is the PowerProbe 3 with PowerFlow. OD, what's this thing all about?
So we made a variety of different circuit testers, PowerProbe 3, PowerProbe 4, Maestro over the years. The PowerProbe 3's always been the #1 seller. And this may look familiar, it might look like your standard PowerProbe 3, but believe me, this has got some new testing features that are really gonna equip you for efficient circuit testing.
That's a whole lot to load up in one sentence. What is this promise of a new tool with better diagnostic procedures, Dave? What's the detail?
Just looking at it, first off, you're gonna notice the rocker switch is now replaced with a 4-way D-pad. Apply power pressing up, apply ground pressing down. That's the same, but now it's solid state switching, so I can actually have those latch on and stay on continuously. There's a true resistance mode in here from 0.1 to 25 kiloohms, so now you've got a true ohm meter inside your PowerProbe. These two P buttons on the side of this 4-way D-pad are the exciting part. This is called the PowerProbe 3 with PowerFlow Technology. The PowerFlow Technology will now allow you to load test the circuit you're testing. So you can apply load to a positive side or load to grounds to make sure those connections and wiring are going to be good under current carrying conditions.
So that's kind of a big deal. Checking for voltage is a pretty fundamental test on a circuit, but being able to really check the relative health of a circuit, you've got to be able to load it up and see if it can carry current.
Correct. You've got to pull some current through the circuit in order to expose any potential voltage drops in the circuit.
So Dave's going to take you onto the demo board next. We'll show you each of those individual features. You'll be able to see how each one works and how you can integrate it into your diagnostic process.